Have you heard about the latest weight loss wonder drugs? Drugs like Ozempic promise easy results. But are they really as safe as they seem? A major study reveals a hidden danger. Researchers found a strong link between these drugs and severe acid reflux. GLP-1 receptor agonists, including Ozempic and Wegovy, reduce appetite and slow digestion. They help you feel full for longer periods. But this slower digestion has a downside. It keeps food in the stomach longer, raising the risk of stomach acid creeping into the esophagus. Repeated exposure to stomach acid can lead to gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. In severe cases, GERD can damage esophageal tissue and narrow the esophagus. There's even an increased risk of esophageal cancer. This alarming discovery began at a Montreal hospital. Doctors noticed patients on these weight loss drugs complaining of heartburn. Yet, no research connected the two. So they conducted their own study, analyzing medical records from over 114,000 adults with type 2 diabetes. They tracked patients who started GLP-1 drugs against those using other diabetes medications. Their findings were concerning. Patients on GLP-1 drugs had a 27% higher chance of developing GERD. For serious complications related to GERD, the risk jumped to 55%. Even more shocking, over 90% of those serious cases involved Barrett's esophagus. This condition significantly raises throat cancer risk. For every 100 patients on these drugs, about one additional person developed acid reflux issues. Notably, long-acting GLP-1 medications posed even greater risks. Certain groups are especially vulnerable. Smokers, those with obesity, or individuals already prone to stomach problems experience the highest risks. Clearly, popular weight loss and diabetes drugs can lead to painful and potentially dangerous acid reflux. If you're considering these drugs for weight loss or diabetes, pause and think twice. Shortcuts can come with serious costs. Your body thrives on proper care, not quick fixes. The real solution to acid reflux does not lie in injections. It's about addressing the root causes. Many have successfully healed their acid reflux naturally without drugs or surgery. Want to discover how they did it? Check out the description below for more information.